I have been sharing with you my home theater setup in my previous videos, but I figured all of you would be interested in how it actually sounds. I apologize for the clips being rather short for copyright reasons. The sound is recorded on a Zoom H2n microphone positioned near my seating location. Let me know what you guys think. Enjoy. Test clip.
Your while.
We'd love to.
Oh, terrific. That's the spirit. Good. This evening, then.
What do you say?
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this little demo, and if you want more of these, please let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.